Okay, I decided to make these videos because I felt like it's easy to get mixed up to put it in the right way. So again, this here has the Lamont brick, and when I kept mentioning about the gray mortar, I'm talking about the gray cement. Okay, so they use the standard gray right here, but this here is an elevation, or the elevation C of the Bridgeport. And as you can see, the door is off to the side, right? So I'm gonna try to go through the front door because I want you to really see. Nope, never mind, there's dirt, so I can't do that. I'm gonna have to go through the garage, which is okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I just walked in, giving you the full view. And again, this one here is the Bridgeport, which yes, it does have that column right there in the dining room area. And then this is where that second bedroom down is at, with its own full bathroom, right? And then coming in here, which I know is the main thing, you're going to see full windows, fireplace on the side, all of the space for the family room, the stairs here being a different level, and then walking into the kitchen room, or the kitchen area. And this family ended up using a lot of the standard options. This is how the kitchen looks like, with a pantry. And then again, breakfast area that's underneath this here. So when you're looking at the niches, this is what you'll see. Okay, now I'm about to go show you the Parker. Okay, so now I am back at the Parker Elevation D they are really like. And again, I just wanted to show you, so you see how this one, it has a dark brick called Huntington, but white mortar, which helps make it stand out. So something to really think about. And again, when I talk about mortar, I am talking about this part here, the cement, okay? And also I mentioned that if y'all want brick down here, that's what we call the brick at the front porch pavers. If not, it's just all cement. So walking back in here, you can see a little bit of the stairwell here. And before going to the main kitchen, just wanted to show you again, look at the space of this one for the secondary bedroom. That's a lot bigger than the other one. Hola! And then again, because this family did the study, which we can leave this open if you want us to, but more is regarding adding that wall in the back, because when you do that, as you can see, 3 windows, or 3 2-level windows, your breakfast area. And as you can see, you're gonna end up adding more cabinet space, because you have cabinets all right here. You'll have cabinets right here and right here. Your refrigerator's here, and then you can do the option of putting the microwave oven separately. You still get cabinet space, drawers over here. This is for your sink and for your dishwasher. And they added the chandelier here since they converted the other area into an office. And again, just showing you the windows. Fireplace is off to the side. This area is a little bit smaller than the Bridgeport. And this is the view that you'll get from the family room. This is from all the way to the back over here. And that's your view. Okay, I hope this helps. Look forward to hearing the final answer. Are we going with the Bridgeport or the Parker? Talk to you soon.